Hey guys, it's Ashley, and today I'll be teaching you some yoga poses and overall balance exercises. You don't need anything for this routine, so let's go ahead and get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this video with me right now, go ahead and save it to your watch later and join me whenever you can. Alright guys, before we get into the balances, let's just do a basic yoga flow to get our body stretched and moving, because some of these poses do require a little bit of flexibility. So let's get started on that. Come to the top of your mat. We're going to go ahead and take a big inhale up, arms up. Inhaling up. We're going to forward fold, exhale. All right, you can take a nice bend in the knee here and straighten the knee, lift the chest up, all the way back down, walk the hands out. Let's hang out here for a second in downward dog. You can pedal the feet if you'd like. Take a couple deep breaths here, really stretching out the back of the legs, the hamstrings, the calves. And let's come forward almost to a plank. Lean forward, lower down. You can use your knees to help you nicely lower down. And let's go into just a small upward dog here. It's like a halfway lift. Nice, you guys. Push the hands against the ground, lift yourself back up, downward dog, and walk your hands back to your feet. Gentle bend in the knee. Roll it on up. Let's do that a few more times. Inhale up. Try to flow with it more. Exhale. Take a second here. Take a second here. And flat back, look up. Exhale, walk those hands out. Nice. Again, pedal the feet. Really get that tailbone to the ceiling. Stretching it out. Tailbone reaching up, up, up to that ceiling. Nice, you guys. Coming forward and lowering down. Let's go all the way to cobra this time. Full lift, stretching out that back. All the way back down. Push against the floor. Up. Downward dog. Walking the hands in. Nice, you guys. Last time, best time. Flow with it. Inhale, exhale, lift it up, bring it back down, walk it out. Little pause here, tailbone to the ceiling, forward, lowering down, reach it up, back down, up, walk the hands in. Nice, you guys. Whew. All right. Shake it out. Let's get into some balancing exercises. So I'm going to come down on the floor and we're going to do a very light plank ab exercise, because balancing is all about the core and your alignment. But let's go on the ground and let's hit a plank really quick. We're just going to do very short amount of time, okay? I'm not even going to tell you how long. I'm just going to say go, and I'll say stop when it's time to stop, okay? So let's go. You can either go forearms down or on the palms. Let's go. 3, 2, and 1. Breathing in. Out. Inhale. And out. Inhale. And out. 2 more inhales. Slowly lower, come onto the back. Knees bent. We're gonna come up and do 30 pulses on your own time. It looks like this. Pulse, 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 pulse. Do it for 30. In 3, 2, and 1. Reach it, pulse. That was 30. All right, let's do that one more time. In 3, in 2, in 1. Up. Really push, 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 down, down, down. Two, one, relax. All right, you guys, let's get up and let's get to balancing. All right, first things first, I just want you guys to close your eyes, put your feet together, close your eyes, and kind of see where you're veering towards, and try to see if with your eyes closed you can just stay grounded. So go ahead, on your own timing, close your eyes. Notice if your weight is shifting to one side or the other. All right, with your eyes still closed, try to just come up onto your tippy toes halfway, just halfway, just a tiny bit of the heel lifting up. Woo! Makes it a little harder. Keep that alignment, stomach tight, and back down. Open those eyes. Nice. Let's do that one more time with the eyes closed and see if, now that you've seen where your body's going, if you can correct it. All right, so start flat foot, close your eyes. Check out your alignment. Make sure your spine is completely straight. Head reaching up to the sky. And on your own time, lift your heels up this much, like tiny, like 1 inch, okay? But keep that straight spine. Keep that straight spine. Woo! I'm leaning forward a little bit. All right, keep your eyes closed. It's okay if you need to come down for a second. And open those eyes, relax it down. All right, so we kind of saw where our alignment is being thrown off today. So let's translate that into some yoga poses. So the first one we're gonna do is just coming up, feet together. We're going to bring the knee out into a tabletop, just like this, tabletop. We're going to do the right side and the left side, see how long you can hold it. If you feel more advanced, you can extend the leg, grab the toe. But we'll start just easy. Up, make sure that the quad is parallel to the ceiling, chest is lifted, head is lifted, and balance. And if you want to challenge yourself, extend, grab the toe. Couple more seconds here. And 3, 2, 1, come down. Okay, that was pretty easy for me. We're gonna get progressively harder, but let's make it equal. Let's do the left leg, okay? Center, lift it up. Engage that core. If you feel anything pulling in the hip flexor, you just need to engage that core and relax the hip. And again, if you want, you can extend. But if you just want to practice on the balance, stay right here. In 3, in 2, in 1. Bring it down. Nice, you guys. Let's go ahead and go into our next pose, which is the tree pose. Okay, if you have slippery fabric on, this might be hard. That's why I'm wearing shorts for the video, because we will be putting our foot up here and kind of sticking it. So let's go ahead, feet parallel. Turn this foot out. And lift. Lift it to almost the very top of your opposite leg and leave your foot there flexed. Woo! All right, we're increasing the advancedness, the challenge. I like to put my hands together like this. And I want you guys to really be focusing on a spot ahead of you. Obviously, I'm looking directly into the camera, but that's my balancing point, okay? I keep on wanting to kind of like lean forward, so I just need to put my shoulders back. If this is happening to you too, I feel like because my hands are in front, I start to lean forward like this, but make sure that your spine is in total alignment, which sometimes doesn't feel very natural to, hike the shoulders back, tuck the spine underneath. Sometimes it's not very natural to do that, so you have to really be conscious of it. 3 and 2 and 1. I'll turn to the side for the next one so you guys can see the alignment that I'm talking about. But basically, sometimes naturally you have a sway in the back, but to balance, you really want to tuck that underneath, tighten the core, and then lift the chest up so it's all straight. So let's go parallel. Turn out the opposite side that you haven't done yet. The opposite leg that you have not done yet. Turn it out. Gently pick it up. Place it at the base of your leg. Palms to heart center. Shoulders back. Ooh, you see how I made that little adjustment? Tuck the tailbone underneath. Core is strong. Focus on something in the room. Stare it down. Ooh, see, I still want to keep leaning forward. Shoulders pinched back. Let's do 2 big breaths here. Inhale. And exhale. And again. And exhale. Drop it down. Great, you guys. Okay, let's go into our third and most challenging next little yoga balance. So we're gonna come facing the side, feet together. I'm gonna go ahead and start by grabbing my left foot. And okay, it's like a teeter totter. The more that I push my leg back, the more that my chest is gonna come forward. So it needs to be in line like a teeter totter. If I go like this, the leg goes up. If I go like this, the leg goes down. If it's opposite, if I'm going like this and the leg is here, I feel like you're gonna lose your balance. If your leg's all the way up here and you're not leaning forward, it might throw you off of balance. So think of your body as a teeter totter, okay? So let's come feet together. Grab the ankle, front of the ankle. I'm gonna bring my arm up just for some balancing support, and let's go all at the same time. The leg lifts back, the chest lifts down. Stare at something across the room that you can see. Stare at it viciously. Keep that teeter-totter equal. As much as you're going forward is as much as you're going back. 2 deep breaths. Woo! 1 more. Release it. Nice. Okay, another thing that I tend to do when I balance, which is not good, is lock out my knees, because just then I started to feel tension because I was locking out my knee while trying to use my muscles, and it was just feeling a little bit straining. So if you need, keep a light bend in that bottom knee so that you don't experience that stress. All right, second side, let's do it. Feet together. You're gonna take the opposite leg that you haven't done, grab the front of the ankle. Arm is up to help you balance. Slowly keep this straight up and down alignment like a teeter-totter. Go forward, go back. And what do? We put our eyes on something and we don't look away. Hold it. Hold it. 2 deep breaths, breathing in. Exhale it out. 1 more in. And out. back to center. Bring it down. Oh, coming back into alignment. I think this one is going to be the hardest. It's just a little bonus one. You don't have to do it, but I'm going to do the ballerina balance. They call that one the ballerina, but this is my own addition to it. So I'm going to have heels together, toes apart. I'm going to bring, you can have your arms either down here, you can have them out here, or you can have them up here. I think I'm going to keep my arms low, but heels together, toes apart. Squeeze the tailbone under. Lift the chest, same alignment that we were talking about earlier. I want you to go onto your tippy toes. Nice. Now try to look to the right. Back to center. Now to the left. Back to center. Let's try looking up. Back to center. Now last, let's try looking down. Back to center. Did you complete it? Answer in the comments if you fell down or if you completed that last one, okay? Thank you guys for joining me and keep practicing. Bye. Thank you so much for practicing with me today, and if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to download our app Yoga Plus for more, and be sure to check out the rest of the videos in our series. See you later.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the pose library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.